A woman never leaves the first time she feels hurt. She stays. She forgives. She hopes. She gives chances even when she knows she shouldn't, believing in the love she thought was real. But every time you ignore her, neglect her, or make her feel unwanted, she checks out a little more. She stops expecting, stops asking, stops believing that things will change. The fire that once burned so brightly in her begins to fade, not out of anger, but out of exhaustion. She's tired of feeling like she's fighting alone, tired of proving her worth to someone who doesn't see it, until one day, she's not mad anymore. She's not arguing. She's not even sad. She's just done. And when she reaches that point, there's no coming back. No apology can fix it. No grand gesture can erase the pain. Because when a woman reaches her breaking point, she doesn't walk away, she disappears. And the saddest part, you'll only realize what she meant to you when she's no longer there to love you.